Welcome. In front of me is the SONY Xperia XA1 Ultra, and I'll show you how to enable developer options. So to get started, we'll open up Settings app and go all the way down into System, then About Phone, and Build Number, tap it 7 times. As you can see, you are now a developer. And then once you go back, you see that this option has just appeared, Developer Options. And from here you can have a couple other options like Stay Awake, screen will never sleep while charging, so once you have the phone plugged in, it will always have the screen on. Enable Bluetooth, HCI. This I advise not turning on if you're just like don't know what it is. It will start creating logs and of Bluetooth connections and basically fill up the entire memory of the phone with it. For example, I had it enabled once, and I think I'm like 64 gigs of memory got filled up just with logs, and I didn't actually know what was causing it, because actually I recall enabling it, but I learned what it was from that. Then you have a couple other options. There's actually a lot of options. USB debugging, once you're connecting to the computer. There's also probably options, if I recall, for increasing the speed of animations of the device, and a lot of other things that you might find useful. So you can go through the settings yourself and find what you would like to use and change. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.